Alright guys, we have the Hosim Brushless 110. This has been sent in by Hosim to do a test and review on. Obviously it is still in the box, have not opened it yet. Got some pictures, ran some of the other cars yesterday where we had the opportunity to. So this is going to have everything included in the box for it. And let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So this is supposed to be a 2847 brushless motor, supposed to have LED lights included, supposed to have 1 or 2 shells with it. Obviously the box is showing red. Love the packaging. I have no complaints with the packaging. They do a good job of making it classy. And your instruction manual and the entire pamphlet, all your extra parts, your battery charger, your dual battery hookup is in here as well. Your LiPo bag for your batteries, and we'll go over and I'll do another video for this fully opened up after we charge it and get this out running as well. I'm going to be taking it to a local skate park soon. So get these out of the way. Those are nothing, just tire covers. And we do have 2 shells. There is the red shell under the blue shell, so it does have both shells included. And get this over here. This thing is big and heavy, so I'm assuming there's already a battery included in it. We'll take a look. I mean, I know there's a battery in the box. I just don't know if it's already in the car or not. It feels like it. Let's get the next piece out of here. And the next part is going to be our controller. Basic same setup as the rest of the Hosim controllers. I do like the padded wheel over the plastic wheel, and then it's got your 4-wheel trim, your percentage turn trim, and the left and right trim on your turn, forward or reverse on the controls as well, and then throttle reverse. Forward and backward, and controller, like I said, is built just like all the other ones. Very happy with it. Hasn't given me an issue since or yet. And like that, you got the metal plate on the front. Everything's velcroed in, and we're going to take a look and see which battery. Some of these came out with 220, I want to say, some of them had 2 batteries, some of them had 1 battery, either 226s or the 5200. We will find out here momentarily what's included in this one. Once again, 2 shells. You have your blue one, you have the red shell, and okay, so what they've done is here, we did get 2 separate batteries, which I prefer the separate batteries for the option of being able to charge a battery while one is running. You still get the same amount of run time. Just gives you the opportunity to use 1 battery at a time, or you can take them both, connect them both in, run them, and get your full run time on one. So we will do a further update on the video. I just wanted to give you guys something to take a look at and see what came in from Hosim. We will get this video up and a running video afterwards. Take care, guys. See you outside.